Welcome to a deep dive into the latest and most innovative tech gadgets currently making waves. From augmented reality glasses and electric wagons to multifunctional robots and cutting-edge smartwatches, there's something here to pique everyone's interest. Let's explore these fascinating products designed to enhance our daily lives and bring the future to our fingertips. TCL RE Neo X2. Imagine a world where you can capture and interact with your surroundings seamlessly. The TCL RE Neo X2, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, are the first augmented reality glasses that can stand on their own. Equipped with a 16-megapixel camera, SLAM system, and gesture recognition, these glasses offer smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, and picture-video recording. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, they are as practical as they are stylish. Available on Indiegogo for $699, the RE Neo X2 are perfect for tech enthusiasts looking to explore augmented reality. Lithy E Wagon W1 Pro. For those who love outdoor activities, the Lithy E Wagon W1 Pro is a game changer. Unlike traditional wagons, this model boasts a powerful 500W motor and all-electric propulsion, making it ideal for camping, gardening, shopping, or relocating. With a 200L capacity and the ability to support up to 132 LEVs, it is both spacious and sturdy. Its foldable design and drop-down tailgate make it easy to transport and use. Available on Amazon for $449.99, the Lithy E Wagon W1 Pro combines convenience with power. Vote Smartwatch. The Vote Smartwatch merges the capabilities of a smartphone with the convenience of a smartwatch. Featuring a cellular SIM card slot, Vote allows you to call, text, use GPS, and browse the internet without needing your phone. The watch's bezel detaches to become a Bluetooth headset for hands-free calls. With a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, waterproof design, and customizable bezels, Voat is as functional as it is fashionable. Pre-order it on Kickstarter for just $99 and elevate your smartwatch experience. Ugot Robotic Kit. The Ugot Robotic Kit is perfect for those who love to create and learn. This kit allows you to build 7 different robots using clever knob blocks and modular architecture. It includes an AI-powered central processing unit, graphics processing unit, and neural processing unit. Whether you are using open-source hardware or third-party parts, the Ugot Robotic Kit offers endless customization options. Available for pre-order on Kickstarter for $256, it's a fantastic educational tool for both children and adults. Doppelgnger Garaventa Ropeways. Doppelgnger Garaventa is a leader in ropeway and people mover technology. With over 15,400 installations in 96 countries, they offer solutions for ski resorts, urban mobility, amusement parks, and material handling. Their products range from cable cars and gondolas to chair lifts and funiculars, all designed with safety, efficiency, and eco-consciousness in mind. Though a typical installation costs between $1 million and $100 million, their unparalleled expertise ensures top-quality results. Airspeeder MK4. The Airspeeder MK4 is revolutionizing motorsport with its hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) technology. Capable of reaching 225 mph in just 30 seconds and covering 300 kilometers on a single charge, it handles like a Formula One car. With a power output of up to 1,240 horsepower and a lightweight design, the MK4 is set to change the game in competitive racing. Expected to debut in 2024, this marvel of engineering is priced between $1.5 million and $1.7 million. Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is not just a camera, but a leap into a new era of computing. It seamlessly connects the digital and physical worlds, allowing you to interact with apps, entertainment, images, and videos using your eyes, hands, and voice. Featuring a bespoke micro-OLED screen, dual-chip architecture, eye tracking, and spatial audio, it offers an immersive experience. Available now for $2,999, the Vision Pro promises to transform how we work and play. PESA H2 Loco. PESA H2 Loco is the world's first hydrogen-powered shunting locomotive. With a top speed of 90 km/h, it can pull trains weighing up to 3,200 tons and operate for 15 hours on a single refuel. Designed for green ports and intermodal terminals, it features autonomous driving and anti-collision systems. Expected to launch in 2024, the PESA H2 Loco will be priced around $5 million, offering an eco-friendly solution for heavy-duty transportation. Ecoflow Blade Robotic Mower. The Ecoflow Blade Robotic Mower redefines lawn care with its advanced optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS technology. It can navigate and mow your lawn, avoiding obstacles and optimizing its path. The optional yard sweeper kit enhances its functionality by cleaning up leaves, sticks, and debris. With no boundary or cable installation required, it's easy to control via the Ecoflow app. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X1 3D printer is designed for industrial use, featuring a high-resolution LCD screen that cures resin layers with precision. Its large build volume allows for printing big models or multiple smaller ones simultaneously. With a print speed of up to 180 mm/hour, dual cooling system, and remote monitoring via a high-definition camera and touchscreen, it's both powerful and user-friendly. Available for pre-order on Kickstarter for $3,999, the Apex Maker X1 is perfect for serious 3D printing enthusiasts. Anker Solx F3800. The Anker Solx F3800 is a versatile portable power station that can handle any situation, from home backup to EV charging. It offers up to 6,000 watts of AC output and 3,800 watt-hours of capacity, with expandable options up to 12,000 watt-hours. Its plug-and-play design and smart app make it easy to use and monitor. With a long-lasting battery life and a 5-year warranty, the Solx F3800 is available for $3,999 at Anker.com, making it a reliable choice for power needs. Alarm Stop Sleep. Alarm Stop Sleep provides a gentle wake-up experience by simulating daybreak with gradual light brightness and color temperature increases. The vibrating bracelet wakes you softly, avoiding the jarring sound of traditional alarms. It tracks sleep quality and duration, syncing with an app for personalized sleep hygiene suggestions. Priced at $199.99, Alarm Stop Sleep is perfect for those who struggle with waking up refreshed. Aolis Robotics. Aolis Robotics offers robots for various business applications with their flagship product, AEO, capable of tasks like opening doors, controlling elevators, and delivering medications. Designed to improve the lives of individuals, especially the elderly or those with health issues, AEO is controlled via a mobile app. Although not officially priced, rumors suggest AEO costs between $50,000 and $70,000. With round-the-clock assistance and frequent software updates, AEO is a reliable and competent companion. Ecoflow Glacier. The Ecoflow Glacier is more than a cooler. With dual temperature zones, it can function as both a fridge and freezer. It can make ice cubes, charge devices, and operate wirelessly for up to 40 hours. Its detachable lever and wheels make it portable, and it's controllable via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. For $999, the Ecoflow Glacier is the ultimate portable appliance for outdoor adventures. Totem Planter. The Totem Planter offers a unique vertical gardening system using hydroponic and aeroponic technology. Its interchangeable modules allow for various plant setups without soil. The Smart Grow Bar provides optimal lighting, and the Totem app helps manage lighting and watering schedules. Perfect for urban gardeners, it also features an ambient mode for night display. The Totem Planter brings the future of gardening to your home. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the latest tech innovations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions about these amazing gadgets. Stay tuned for more exciting tech updates.